For number 6, we're still multiplying, and I know that because of the directions that say multiply, but I also know that because there's not an addition or subtraction symbol between the two parentheses. So this first parentheses has 2 terms in it. The second one also has 2 terms in it. When you multiply 2 terms by 2 terms, 2 times 2 is 4, so you should get 4 terms when you do the multiplication. To get the first term, you're going to take the 3x and multiply it by the first term in the second parentheses, which is 2x. So don't forget, the numbers in front, called coefficients, multiply together. 3 times 2 is 6. When you multiply an x times an x, when they have the same base, you add the exponents. And these both have an understood exponent of a 1. So when you add them, you're going to have an x to the second. Then you have to multiply the 3x times the second term in the parentheses over here, which is 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Since it's positive, I'm going to put plus 15. This x does not have another x to add exponents to, so I just put the x in the term. Then I have to distribute the negative 1. The negative 1 times the 2x. Negative 1 times 2 is negative 2. I have an x without another x to add exponents to, so I still have an x in that term. Negative 1 has to be multiplied by the 5. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. There's my 4 terms, distributing the 3x and distributing the negative 1. Always make sure that you look for like terms. There are no other x squares, so I'm going to bring that 6x squared down into my answer. But the next term is a 15x, which I know I can combine with other x's, and I have a negative 2x. Now we're adding, not multiplying. So when you add x's to x's, you're still going to have an x. It's how many do you have? You had 15, you subtracted 2. So now you have a positive 13 of them. And then my constant, there's not any other constants to add together, so it just comes down into my answer.